Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know who I am anymore, and today we're gonna do another guitar video. And in this one, we got a couple requests. I guess they weren't requests because I only gave two options. Let's be honest. So we're gonna learn how to play "Smoke on the Water" on the guitar. Wait, no, we're gonna play Boulevard, "Broken Dreams" by Green Day on the guitar. So the first thing you want to do, for this tutorial, is you want to have a guitar. So I got mine set up. It's been a while since the last guitar video, so I should be pretty so good right now. You want to get your guitar, and you want to make sure you got one of these things. This plugs it in. It goes in, and then that'll it makes it like loud. So you plug that in, and then you want to also get your guitar pick. I prefer to use these ones here. They're like checkers. It reminds me of my cat. His name's not Checkers, but it reminds me, if my cat was named Checkers, it'd be my cat. Okay, and after you have your pick picked, you'll go ahead and wanna, I like to strap on the guitar. You know what they say about that, so put a strap on, and then I'm gonna wear headphones just so I can hear it. So everything should be pretty good. If you haven't, you'll go ahead and we gotta tune up the guitar to E, probably. Let's see. Yeah, sure. That sounds good. D string, G, B. And I think the little E. Eddie ate dynamite. Goodbye, Eddie. So for this song, it's pretty easy. You just put your fingers on the guitar. That's just like a power chord. Something like repeating that a few times, and then it's just Boulevard of Broken Dreams. We can do it again. So it starts, have fingers up here, and then you'll go, here we go. That's not right. Pay attention. This is gonna be a quick one today. I think it sounds kind of like this. I walk a lonely road, only. Okay, you get it. That's Billy Joel, I think, on the guitar, on singing it. But you want to repeat that, I think, 33 times. And then you kind of just keep going with it. I can do that one. One more time for everyone. Start with 1 and just two fat strings. 1 and 3. And it's probably not a slide, but you can just make it up. And then he goes like, he's like, something like that. But that's all there is to it. You can just keep repeating those ones over and over, and eventually you'll have it. And then remember, oh, and then like there's a middle part. He's like. Something like this. I think I'm doing it wrong. You get the idea. Hey, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much just exactly how Billy that's how it's played. It's the famous Boulevard of Broken Dreams. And by Boulevard Brook. Hey, that's it for today's video. Remember to rate, comment, and subscribe. Next time we can play maybe Blitzkrieg Bob. I know I can play that one. Just let me know down in the comments. And remember, we got new videos, old videos. We can make some pop up. That'd be cool. Remember, keep practicing your guitar. You could be good one day. Just keep at it. You learn Boulevard Broken Dreams in no time. Just keep it up. Remember to rate, comment, and subscribe. Thanks, everyone. Have a good day.